Hello friends, welcome back to Relax Your Dog. The Akita is a large and powerful dog breed with a noble and intimidating presence. They were originally used for guarding royalty and nobility in feudal Japan. These dogs also tracked and hunted wild boar, black bear, and sometimes deer. The Akita does not back down from challenges and does not frighten easily. Consequently, they are fearless and loyal guardians of their families. Yet they are also affectionate, respectful, and amusing dogs when properly trained and socialized. So, today we are going to see the Akita characteristics, behavior, and care. So, let's dive in without wasting any further time. Akitas are attractive, intellectual, and strong dogs known for being brave and willful. They are also dominant, spontaneous, and self determining in their way of behaving. They are peaceful and soft most of the time and inclined to think first and respond after, as they size things up before reacting to situations. This feature makes them capricious and challenging to read because they were not raised to live in groups but relatively to live and work alone or in tours. They are not animal sociable and they are also set aside around strangers. They incline to be violent towards other pets and are mainly intolerant of animals of the similar sex. Due to the Akita's quiet and suspicious temperament, it does not show signs of violence and its attacks are unexpected, astonishing, and relatively aggressive. They must hence be kept as an only pet. The Akita Inu is a powerful dog with a strong and composite personality, which makes it a tough dog to buy and challenging to raise. They are absolutely not suited for first-time dog holders, as they want somebody who can be firm around it and will train it to be below in the dog pack hierarchy. The owner should sustain herself as the alpha leader, as it is the only way an Akita's leading behavior and possessiveness gets under regulator. When well bred and skilled, Akitas make brilliant pets, extremely truthful and devoted to their family. It is a dog on which an owner can depend and trust, as they will do everything to guard their family. It is said that Japanese mother would leave their children under their Akita's care, which clearly determines the level of trust one can put in Akita. They are also good guard dogs, as they are territorial and protective, defending their territory against any invaders. That said, they are cool and rarely cruel. Akitas are very serious and grasping about their food and toys and tend not to endure teasing. People and especially children should be taught not to reach out to an Akita that is eating, as they can be violent as a way of saying, "This is my food, wait for your turn." Though warned to children, they should not be left alone with children other than their own. They are considered risky dogs in some countries' legislations, and anyone thinking about getting an Akita should bear in mind the legal obligations such as insurance policies. Public insight of Akita Inu is not very positive, though an owner of an Akita will find it obedient and trustworthy. They are also clean pets to have, having some characteristics that resemble cats, such as cleaning their face after eating, being delicate around the house, and being quite hard to please, getting easily bored. Besides being kept as pets, Akitas are also used as police or military dog, therapy dogs, and they also make great athletes, participating in various dog competition, conformation shows, hunting agility, tracking, weight pulling, obedience, canine good citizen program, and personal protection dogs, also known as citizen. The care of Akita. The Akita is cherished and does best when living inside with their family. This breed is not overexcited, but they do want daily exercise. 30 minutes to an hour a day is adequate for an Akita. Brisk walks, jogging for an adult dog over 2 years of age, and romping in the yard are desired activities. Stopover to a dog park are perhaps not a good idea given the Akita's destructive tendency towards other dogs. Due to this breed's extraordinary brain power, a diverse routine is best. When you don't want is a tired Akita that leads to such behavior complications as barking, digging, swaying, and anger. Compromise the Akita with family events and don't leave them alone for long periods at a time. A firmly fenced yard is essential too, both for the security of Akita and for the protection of strangers who may misguidedly come into their territory. While they aren't usually violent with guests if their family is home, all bets are off if their owners aren't around. The Akita is a faithful guard and they will safeguard against anything they identify to be a danger. Distinct care must be taken when nurturing an Akita puppy. These dogs grow very speedily between the age of 4 and 7 months, making them prone to bone disorders. They do well on a high quality, low calorie diet that saves them from rising too fast. In addition, don't let your Akita puppy run and play on tough surfaces such as pavement. Normal play on grass is fine. Escape force hopping or jogging on hard surface until the dog is at least 2 years old and the joints are fully shaped. Puppy swiftness classes with their 1-inch jumps are okay. So friends, with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you have liked our video of Akita's characteristics, behavior and care. Till then, subscribe and turn on notification so you don't miss more videos of Relax Your Dog and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos and I will see you in the next video. Take care.